Tara, let's explore this brand new furnished 5-bedroom house with home theater na siguradong magugustuhan mo. This property sits on a 380 square meter lot with a floor area of 489.2 square meters. Tignan mo naman ang facade. Sumisigaw ng sophistication and elegance. Agree ka? Guys, mahilig ka ba manonood ng sine? Sino mahilig manonood ng sine?
Me!
Ikaw?
Me!
Ikaw din, Dex? Paano kung ang sine mo ay nasa loob na ng iyong bahay? So, this is your TV area. O sa iba ang tawag dito, entertainment room, or yung iba, theater room.
Wow!
Ito yun.
Theater
So, it has a glass UPVC glass door. Pasok tayo dito.